Uganda is rolling out its COVID-19 immunization campaign after receiving an initial batch of over 900,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine. This comes from the COVAX facility and via donations from the government of India. Here's Isabel Nakiria.
Robina Nabanja has been at the forefront of campaigns against the spread of COVID-19 at Uganda's health ministry, ensuring safety measures in communities were followed. This put Robina's life at risk. She says getting the jab is timely.
I was not so nervous. I was like, I wish it would happen so that I'm safe from COVID-19.
Massimiliano Mazzanti is one of the first people to receive the COVID-19 vaccine in Uganda. He says the last year was tough, trying to keep himself safe from catching the virus.
I really wanted, some strong solution to the pandemic and try not to get it, try not to spread it through my family. I have 4 children and a wife, of course. So my idea was that of getting the closest possible to the vaccination, get vaccinated and start finally to do a normal life.
Vaccination will be carried out in phases as more doses arrive. The country expects to receive 2.6 million more doses of the AstraZeneca jab from the COVAX facility by June. About 200 people are queuing up for the jab at this center in Kampala, and authorities expect more people to turn up. A similar exercise is going on countrywide. Authorities say the exercise will go on for 10 days in this initial phase of vaccination. Vaccine hesitancy is high, but the country aims to vaccinate about 49% of its adult population by the end of the year. Uganda has seen over 300 confirmed COVID-19 deaths, and 19 of these were health workers. Authorities say the vaccination will reduce the strain in the healthcare system.
One, it protects the person from getting severe disease or dying from it. It protects the family around him because transmission is expected to be less, although we are still building on evidence on that. But also, when one is not sick and one is not transmitting, we also deprive the virus from multiplying a lot of times.
The Minister of Health is encouraging people to maintain mask wearing and washing hands, warning the risk of infection remains in the early stages of the vaccine rollout. And for people who have already received the shot like Robina and Mazzanti, their protection will not develop immediately. But Robina says it's the moment she's longed for. Isabel Nakiria, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.